Hey, thanks for watching another video of the Aussie Welder. I'm making a couple of pipe producers to suit some 4-inch hose, 5-inch down to 4-inch, 1mm thick wall aluminium pipe. As you can see, it's very easy to move around. I'm being fairly bush about it. I'm in a hurry. I've got a paddock I've got to get watered, and yeah, I'm not really taking much care to how it looks. I just want it to work late at night. I usually clean inside and out. This occasion I just cleaned on the outside. Typically I try and cut out pie segments. So this time around I'm just letting it overlap. Nice little lap joint. I'm trying to get it pretty close fit. Then I'll put one tack in between each middle of each segment, and then I'll give it a bit more of a tap so it's a nice neat fit. I'll cut 6 equal segments and then bring the pipe in, and it's a pretty typical exercise. Doesn't matter what size pipe you're doing, you just add more segments if you want to do a bigger pipe. I'm just welding this freehand. Like I said, I'm being pretty bush about it. Some might say that most of my work looks bush anyway, but yeah. Having a bit of trouble earthing out on the table there. This is just a passive lens on the video camera. I'm trying a few things, trying to get better shots. This isn't too bad, I don't think. I've got the welder way too hot. I use a Synchrowave, Miller Synchrowave 250. It's a good old welder. I still find that sometimes it's hands down a lot better than even modern day inverters. Although it's not really that old. Yeah, the features and functions on that are still really good. I dipped my tungsten in a few times, as you can see where the black soot is, particularly there. Believe it or not, these fittings did not leak. It's not high pressure either, it's just, yeah. These are cane beetles. They give you a bit of a hurry up when you weld them, land on the back of your neck or in your ear. They're heaps of fun. Thanks for watching.